Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding groups. Students in kindergarten need to understand how to add two or more groups together. The aim here is to find the total number of similar objects contained in the groups we are considering. This is an important prerequisite for more involved addition later in their school years. Here's a very basic question. We have a fish tank here with one fish and another fish tank here with two fish. Draw the total number of fish in the empty bowl when the groups are added together. So if you add the number of fish in that group plus the number of fish in that group, just get them to draw the total number of fish in that bowl there. Second example, draw the total number of apples in the empty box when the groups are added together. Same type of thing. You've got two groups, 4 apples here, 5 there, add them together and draw the total there. Here we have some marbles. Draw the total number of marbles in the empty bag when the groups are added together. So this time we have 3 groups. So you add all those together and they can draw all the marbles in there. Next example, draw the total number of matches in the empty box when the groups are added together. So here we have 4 groups and you'll add all the matches up and draw them in that box. These are just 4 basic examples and you can give students many more examples. So it's a simple exercise which helps them to do addition. And as you know, this will come in very handy in their later years of schooling.